Hello everyone, welcome back to Secure 7, your go-to channel for cybersecurity walkthroughs and tutorials. Today we are talking another exciting vulnerability VulnHub machine DC-1. Box is beginner friendly but packaged with real-world scenarios, making it perfect for sharpening penetration testing skills. Whether you are preparing for OSCP, just starting details, hacking these walkthroughs. And here is our Kali Linux machine and our DC-1 VulnHub machine already running on backend virtual machine. So we have a net discover command to find the IP address of our machine is 192.168.5.2.8 and we running this command, and we have next go to the Nmap command which find the open ports in the network. Now that we have IP, let's move into the scanning for open ports and services using Nmap. It's take a long time for the scanning. It's depend on the our network. From the scan results, we see the ports number which are opened. Go to the Nmap command, and port 22, 80 and 111 is the SSH and open port HTTP. This is our IP address patched on the web browser, and here is the login portal of Drupal site. We choose the admin for the common password, so it is not, and go to the terminal, and we find the exploit of Drupal. Drupal is a vulnerable machine site. So we open the metasploitable machine for the create exploit. For the command is msf console. MSF framework is started. So we search the command, use the search command, and we find the Drupal. So search Drupal is our command. We find the many of exploits are here, so we can choose of one exploit one. Okay, use one command, and our exploit was set, and we are find the options. We choose the rhost, set the rhost is our machine IP address. Okay, so don't be confused on our machine IP address and what vulnerable machine IP address. Next, run command. Our option commands to set our vulnerable machine IP address was set, and next run command. And MSF control started session between our machine and vulnerable machines. This part is a privilege escalation. So we got the shell command for the using the shell, and we got here is the flag, first flag of our machine. And here is our flag. This is not a final flag, so we go to the site. Settings.php. See the what inside the settings.php we see the db user, database name and password of database. So we log in into the database. We will use Python for this. Python-c import pty spawn bin and bash with a stable shell. Let's check our user permissions and begin privilege escalations. We run the command mysql slash dash user, and password is we find out from the rocket and enter. We into the mysql server database. So database command go to the Drupal database and show tables. Find the users. So select star from users. Select star from users. So there is the users are there in a hash format, and our user is admin and password is in the hash format. And one task for you, you got the hash format, you can decrypt this hash format into the password. Okay, and I go to the website and go to the login panel and paste the password. Is the secret. Sorry for the misunderstanding. Secret word. So we into the admin panel and we find the flag 2. These articles have is a flag 3 is here. There is nothing in the website. So we exit the MySQL database. With the pwd command, we find the which directory we are in. We back to the shell. Is the flag 4 in the directory home. With the find command, with the find command we spot the binary with evaluate permissions or accessible script. Let's inspect it, and further by analyzing it we find a way escalate to root by exploiting weak file permissions. we go to the our final step is root access. bin.sh. Once we execute the exploit, we gain the root access. Let's verify by run. So we use the cd/root with ls command. The final flag is here. We covered the key phases of penetration testing: network scanning, web application enumerations, exploiting using metasploit, privilege escalations. DC is a great machine for learning the fundamentals of ethical hacking. It reinforces how important it is follow a structured appearance, start with the reconnaissance, identify vulnerabilities, and escalate the privileges step by step.